In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel meeting in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find your meeting. Open it, cancel it properly, and notify everyone with a clear message, so calendars stay tidy and no one is left wondering what happened. Start by opening Outlook and switching to the calendar view. This is where all your scheduled events and meetings live. Make sure you are looking at the correct date or use the search bar to locate the meeting you want to cancel. You'll want to cancel a meeting only if you are the organizer, because only organizers can send an official cancellation that updates attendees' calendars. Once you've found the meeting, open it by double-clicking. This opens the full meeting window, not just the preview. In this window, you can confirm the details and make sure you've selected the correct meeting. If it's a recurring meeting, Outlook may prompt you to choose whether you are working with just this one occurrence or the entire series. So pick the option that matches your intention. With the meeting window open, look for the Cancel Meeting option on the ribbon at the top. In most versions of Outlook, it's clearly labeled Cancel Meeting. Click it and Outlook will prepare a cancellation notice addressed to all attendees. Before you send it, take a moment to add a short, helpful message in the body. While this is optional, it's a best practice because it gives people context. For example, you might explain that the agenda has changed and you'll follow up with a new time. Keep it brief, polite, and clear so attendees immediately understand why the meeting is being canceled. When your message is ready, click Send Cancellation. Outlook will email the cancellation to attendees and remove the event from their calendars. Your copy of the meeting will also be cleared, and any associated resources, like rooms or online conferencing links, will be released automatically. A few quick tips to keep things smooth: always cancel rather than just deleting the meeting from your own calendar. Since deleting doesn't notify anyone, if it's a recurring series and you only need to cancel a single date, be sure you are canceling just that occurrence. And if attendees are outside your organization, they'll still receive the cancellation by email. So your message helps ensure clarity for everyone. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.